Welcome back. One of the applications you have available to you is called Microsoft Clipchamp. And you may see it in your application dashboard. If you don't see it, you can go to your app launcher or Waffle, and you can either access it from the apps or you can choose all apps, and you will then be able to find it here in your app menu. We're now going to access Microsoft Clipchamp. You will need to sign into your Microsoft account. Now, Clipchamp will have age requirements based on where you live, and so you will need to write in a date of birth as well as where you live in the world. Once you indicate this, you can then click Continue. You will then either determine what kind of videos bring you to Clipchamp, or you can skip this part of the process. And what you'll notice with Microsoft Clipchamp is that you can get started with a specific template, and your templates are here in this area. You can also click All Templates so that you can see all of the templates that you have available to get started creating video with Microsoft Clipchamp. So if you want to create a video for Instagram or for YouTube or for social media, you can indicate this with your specific templates. You can also use your existing webcam, record your screen, or just record your microphone for the sake of audio. When you click into this area, you are then going to be brought into a Clipchamp studio. It's in the Clipchamp studio. You will have access to templates. You will have access to music. You will have access to stock video. You will have access to stock images to use in your videos. You'll have access to graphics and transitions. You can also utilize a brand kit. Now, this is actually part of the paid version. You'll only have access to this if you are paying for your version of Microsoft 365. You can also create a text-to-speech video by determining what the text-to-speech is going to be and typing in your text here in this area. And you can preview the text-to-speech.
Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country.
Now, Microsoft Clipchamp does have a desktop application and is available for free inside of the Microsoft Store. Now, you can also import existing assets into Microsoft Clipchamp. And for the sake of this video, we are going to stop here and we're going to pick it up from importing assets into Microsoft Clipchamp. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.